let's start. The first number you will copy is 63. Okay, and
27.
Where's your 27? Okay. Then, you use the pom-poms para mag-add ka. Bigger, 3. Or bigger number first. What's the bigger number? 7. Oh, put 7 on the pom-poms. Put the pom-poms sa 7. Seven plus smaller number 3. Okay. 7 plus 3. How many in all? 10. So if you have 10, how will you write 10 dito? How will you put 10? Ayun, 10. So ngayon, because it's 10, this box should only have one number. That's right. You will put 1 on the top. And then you add. Oh, clean the frame. Clean natin ang frame. Ayun. So, 1. Any color? 1 and then plus 6. Or you may use the red one. 6. 1 plus 6. Okay. How many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ay, labis. Okay. And then, add how many more?
2.
Add 2. Maybe the black one, or green one, or blue one. Add 2. 1, 2. So, how many in all? 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. Or write 9 here. Add here. 9. Ayan. 9. So, what is our final answer? 63 plus 27 is, what number is this? How do you read this? 9 and 0?
90.
90. How do we get it? We add 3 and 7 is equals to 10. So, when it is equal to 10, because there is only one digit in this box, your 1 will go up. You will carry. We say carry. Carry 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is equals to 9. So we have 90. 90. Oh, let's try again. Next. 12 plus 18. Again, 12 plus 18. Or put it here, 12 plus 18. 12, how will you write? How will you express 12? Okay. 12 plus 18. Wait lang. Baliktad ng 18 mo. Ayan. Okay. 12 plus 18 is... Anong una mong aansiran? Yan. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. You can use the frame. You can use the frame. Yung ating frame na purple. O, 8. Nasa ng 8? O, nasa ng 8 mo dito. Pwedeng maglagay ka na niyan. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Hindi kasya. Kulang yan. Kulang. Kulang. Maybe the yellow one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Eksakto. 8 plus
2.
2. Maybe 2. Add 2. Oh, 8 plus 2 equals
10.
10. Oh, how will you write 10 here? How will you put 10? 10. Okay, but one digit here. 1 will go up.
Up. 1 up.
Carry
1.
Carry 1. Oh, now let's show it here.
1, 1, 1.
1 plus 1 plus 1. Ilan? 1, 2. Separate color. Iba't ibang color. Okay, 1 and tsaka 1. Oh, how many lahat?
3.
3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So what is our sum? 30. Our answer is 30. Good job. Okay, next. Okay, 45. Alright, 45. Put 45. Put 45 in the frame. 45. Okay. Plus
35.
plus 35. How will you put 35? There you go. Can you read the problem again? 40
45
plus
35.
plus 35. How are we going to solve it? Ito muna.
5
5.
plus 5.
5 plus 5. Ilan?
5 plus 5.
5 plus 5 is
10.
10. How will you express 10 dito? 10. Yes. And then 1. Oops. There should only be one digit here. So the first number will go up. Carry
Carry 1.
1.
Carry 1.
Carry 1. Now use the frame. 1 plus 4 plus 3. 1 muna. 1.
Yan.
Okay,
Orange.
1 yellow. And then 4. Do you have 4 green? Yeah, green. 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 3. How many in all? 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. Oh, let's put 8 there. Here you go. So what number do we get? What is the sum?
80.
80. The sum is 80.
80.
Okay. We call this
80.
the sum because this is the answer in
po.
addition.
Walong po.
Okay, 80. $49
49.
plus what is 15?
1, 5.
15.
15.
Again, 49
15.
15 plus 15. Or write it on the frame. Put it on the frame. 49 plus 15. Okay, that's it. 49 plus 15. So let's add. We will use the frame, but this time our frame has numbers 1 to 20 already. Okay, now let's start. 9 plus 5. Oh, put 9. 9 pom-poms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then add 5. Is that 5?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kulang. Maybe the yellow one na lang. Maybe the yellow one. O, yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ayun, sige, eksakto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, fix mo sa eyes. O, what number do we get? 9
4,
plus 5 is
14.
14. So, 9 plus 5 is 14. How will you put 14 here? $41 yan. 41. Oh, 14. So,
Carry.
carry 1. Because there should only be one digit here. Okay, now, let's clean the frame and show 1 plus 4 plus 1. 1.
1.
Oh, where's your frame? Where's your pom-pom? 1. Maglagay ng 1 doon. 1. Okay? Dinagdagan mo. 1, ikaw, ibang kulay. Siguro blue. 1. Then, 4. 4. And then, plus 1. Oh, another one, another color na. Okay, there you go. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So, our answer is
64.
64. But I will help you to make your addition faster. Sige, 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1 is 2.
2. Okay, since you know 1 plus 1 is 2, so 4 plus 2.
4 plus 2.
And then you will start there 4 and then add 2. Okay? You can
6.
also do that. 6. That is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. You can also use your mind. Okay? Put the bigger number in your mind. What is the bigger number? 4. Okay, put this in your mind. 4. And then count on your fingers. 4, 5.
4, 5.
No. You will use 4 is in the mind. Close your hand. Okay, 4. And then 5.
5, 6,
6. Because 4,
4,
5, 6. How many do we get? 4 plus 2 is 6. There you go.